Stevie outside local tackle shop. Just got YouTube channel.
Was John the gatekeeper coming?
Yes.
Gamekeeper.
Yeah.
Gamekeeper.
Yeah. Yeah, he comes in here a lot, yeah.
Nice bit of advertising at back there, Steve. Back here, Ruddy. This gentleman here pointing us in the right direction. That's what we need.
This one here in the back here, look at legged up ready. Can't blame.
Nice bit of advertising at back back here, Ruddy. This gentleman here pointing us in the right direction. Nice day and everything, it's just blowing a gale. Anyway, we're on the pier at Llandudno. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful place. It's really nice to be here. So, another one off our bucket list for us. Off the beach, sorry. I hadn't said it before, doing this little intro bit, because I just wanted to get a rod in the water. So, I've got my 20-pound class boat rod in. It's got a half-beat bait on it. Maybe there's a conger, maybe there's something. It's just a small-ish oily fish. Hopefully we can get something interested. I'll set up my breach casting rod now. Not quite sure where I'm going to cast it. I'm going to give it a go. And then I'll get my own camera set up, see if we can get some more footage. Hopefully some decent footage. Thanks for joining us. Let's see how we go. Well, unfortunately, it's snagged up within 5 minutes of being out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rebait because I've lost my bait. I'm going to cast it slightly further out. And hopefully it won't snag. If I'm drifting too much, I'll put a second weight on. Because we might do that anyway, that'd be a better idea. I'll put a second weight on just to ground it more. Little whiting. He's been injured. Alright. He's shouting I've been bitten because it's just a bit of a curve there. Maybe. I don't know. Well, you got one either way. Yeah, I haven't had a bite on that. You've had a bite on your back. Nicely done, mate.
the trek is always here, but worth it.
So Llandudno is beautiful. It's absolutely stunning round here. I've just got one rod out. I bought a rig from local tackle shop from John. Picked up some peeler crab, so I've got one of them on, and then I've got lots attached to 3 guys, just in case there's anything swimming past that takes a fancy to them. It's just absolutely stunning round here. There's a film crew on site. They're filming for 1970. So we'll see if we can get some advertisement for channel. See if we can do it. We've already laughed at it for saying it, but you never know. It's all blanked. There we go. So fingers crossed now that there's something on the wall that we can get me off the mark for this year, not just this session. monster. Look at that slimy monster. Right, nearly 9:15. Time to rebate, last gas, back in car for about 10 o'clock, head home. Should be home for just after midnight. Had I liked more fish? Llandudno, stunning. Hopefully you can see me. Nearly blinded myself with this camera. It's been really, really quiet. I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong or if it's just one of those days. If you're not doing something right, you get on the comments and tell us where we're going. This is a new area. I've never been in my life. It is beautiful. I've enjoyed it. We've had a cracking weather-wise, bit windy to start off with. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you very much. Really appreciate you watching. Other than that, we should have been on the boat today ready for the Whitney Festival. Cancelled. 42-mile-an-hour winds, 9-foot waves, 8-foot waves. There were no chance of us going out and doing some practice. We have managed to go next Wednesday, so in a week, to the Whitney Festival. So we'll give that another go. Yeah, if you don't mind subscribing, that'd be great. And try to build a channel. As always with all the other videos, if you want to join us, like here, come along. Morning guys, this is the morning after the night before. It was a bit of a hard one yesterday, so 250-mile round trip. We went down to Llandudno. It was beautiful. It really was beautiful. I'm taken aback by how great it was. Pleasure to be down there. Couple of things that I forgot to say yesterday, a couple of shout outs. Happy birthday Andy. He couldn't be with us yesterday, so yeah, he's 21 again at least. Nav also couldn't be there. It was his wife's birthday. I hope that all went well. Thank you to John in the tackle shop, the local tackle shop. He's an absolute gentleman. So we didn't catch a right lot. Steve managed to foul up a whiting and catch a crab, so not too great. So anyway, bit of a reflection this morning, so I've come out for breakfast with wife, take it easy, get home, empty my car, wash my car, because the seagulls have completely bombed it, and it stinks of fish, so yeah, we'll be cleaning that. We were supposed to be on a boat trip yesterday, unfortunately it didn't happen. 9-foot waves,
42 mile an hour winds, it were never going to happen. I've just had my coffee delivered, beautiful. Yeah, so we've rebooked on the 24th of April. Looking forward to that. Hopefully 5 of us going. All being well, Kat's going to join us, another person that we work with. Another mention, Mikey yesterday, who joined us. Thanks very much for joining us, appreciate it. We had a good laugh, so that were all good. Well done Steve again, who turned up with us. He caught yesterday, so fair play to him. Yeah, his ride home were a lot longer than what we expected. So our 250 mile trip were actually extended by about 20 mile. There were a car on fire on one of the motorways, so they got out okay. And 2 other closures along the motorway, which were down to roadworks mainly. So we saw Manchester city centre last night, which were different. Before I got back to Halifax and then back to Pudsey. So if you made it this far in video, thanks very much for watching, and all the best. Tight lines, big smiles. Cheers.